So students, our next fact is dividing a number by itself. When we divide a number by itself, we get 1 as a quotient. So students, see this question. If a box can hold 5 crayons, see this box here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 crayons. If a box can hold 5 crayons, how many boxes are required to hold 5 crayons? So students, number of crayons equals to 5. Number of crayons in one box equals to 5. So how many boxes are required? 5 divided by 5 equals to 1. So students, when we divide a number by same number, we get 1 as a quotient. So here, when we divide 9 by 9, we get 1 as a quotient, and when we divide 19 by 19, we get 1 as a quotient. Now, last division fact. Division of 0. So students, when we divide 0 by any number, the quotient is always 0. If 0 marbles are made into groups of 5, how many groups will be formed? अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 के साथ डिवाइड करते हैं, मतलब अगर हमने 0 को डिवाइड करना है किसी भी नंबर से, तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? 0. 0 डिवाइड बाई 5 इक्वल्स टू 0. कंडीशन सिर्फ ये है कि यहाँ पे 0 नहीं होना चाहिए कभी भी. यहाँ पे कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है अदर देन 0. 0 के अलावा यहाँ पे कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है, मतलब 0 को डिवाइड हम कर सकते हैं किसी भी नंबर से, बट 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. उसका आंसर क्या आता है? हमेशा 0. स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन वी डिवाइड 0 by 11, we get 0. And when we divide 0 by 23, we again get 0. We cannot divide a number by 0. Division of 0 is not allowed. मतलब हम किसी भी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. Like this. Okay? This is not possible. Division by 0 is not allowed. Okay? Next is division as repeated subtraction. 0 as repeated subtraction. Division also means repeated subtraction. How? See this question. Rohan was given 12 chocolates. He take 2 chocolates to school every day. For how many days can Rohan take chocolates to school? रोहन के पास 12 चॉकलेट्स हैं. वो स्कूल रोज 2 चॉकलेट्स लेके जाता है. वो रोज कितने दिन तक चॉकलेट्स लेके जा सकता है? ओके, इस क्वेश्चन को हम डिवीजन से नहीं एज ए सब्ट्रैक्शन सॉल्व करेंगे. डे फर्स्ट में उसके पास 12 चॉकलेट्स हैं. रोहन हैज़ 12 चॉकलेट्स. ओके, वो 2 चॉकलेट्स ले गया अपने साथ. उसके पास अब कितनी चॉकलेट्स रहेगी? 10. नेक्स्ट डे ही हैज़ 10 चॉकलेट्स. 2 चॉकलेट्स वो फिर से ले गया स्कूल. अब कितनी है उसके पास? 8. थर्ड डे उसके पास कितनी चॉकलेट्स रहेगी? 8 में से वो 2 ले गया. कितनी रहेगी? 6. फोर्थ डे उसके पास कितनी चॉकलेट्स हैं? 6. उसमें से वो कितनी ले गया? 2. ओके, कितनी रहेगी अब उसके पास? 4. फिफ्थ डे उसके पास कितनी चॉकलेट्स हैं? 4. उसमें से कितनी ले गया वो? 2. फिर कितनी रहेगी? 2. एंड लास्ट डे उसके पास कितनी चॉकलेट्स हैं? 2 वो ले गया. अब कितनी है उसके पास? 0. दिस इज कॉल्ड रिपीटेड सब्ट्रैक्शन. This same question we also solve by division. We can see that Rohan can take chocolates to school for 6 days. Okay, this question we also solve like this. 12 divided by 2. Total number of chocolates 12. He take 2 chocolates to school every day. So 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. That's why division is also called repeated subtraction. Okay. So students, see this question. How many times can 4 be taken away from 20? 20 minus 4, 16. 16 minus 4, 12. 12 minus 4, 8. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So 4 can be taken away from 20. How many times? 5 times. So students, 20 divided by 4 equals to 5. Okay. Now students, next topic is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division are related to each other. Division is reciprocal of multiplication. Means division multiplication का opposite है. Students, see, from the above picture we can make multiplication and division facts. In this picture you can see that 4 groups. There are 4 groups of apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups of apples. Each group contain 2 apples. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Each group contain 2 apples. So total number of apples. Total number of apples are 4 into 2, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number of apples are 8 apples. Now 8 apples made into groups of 2. So how many groups? अब हमने क्या फाइंड करना है कि 8 एप्पल्स हैं, हर ग्रुप में 2 एप्पल हैं. कितने ग्रुप्स बनेंगे? 8 एप्पल्स, नंबर ऑफ ग्रुप्स 2. 8 डिवाइड बाई 2 इक्वल्स टू 4. देयर आर 4 ग्रुप्स. Next, 8 apples made into 4 equal groups gives 2 apples in each group. Means अब हमने क्या फाइंड करना है? एप्पल्स हमारे पास 8 ही हैं, ग्रुप्स कितने हैं? 4. अब हमने फाइंड करना है कि इन 4 ग्रुप्स में ईच ग्रुप में कितने एप्पल्स हैं. हाउ मैनी एप्पल्स आर देयर इन ईच ग्रुप? सो वी डू 8 डिवाइड बाय 4 equals to 2. Each group contain 2 apples. Okay, I hope you got it. Next question. There are 2 groups of dolls. 1, 2. 2 groups of dolls. Each group has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each group has 6 dolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 groups of 6 dolls. 2 groups of 6 dolls. Total number of dolls 2 into 6 equals to 12 dolls. Now 12 dolls made into groups of 6. So how many groups are there? मतलब हमारे पास dolls 12 ही हैं. ग्रुप्स में 6 डॉल्स हैं. सो कितने ग्रुप्स बनेंगे? 12 डिवाइड बाई 6 इक्वल्स टू 2 ग्रुप्स. ओके, नेक्स्ट 12 डॉल्स मेड इनटू 2 इक्वल ग्रुप्स. नाउ वी हैव 12 डॉल्स, 2 ग्रुप्स. हाउ मैनी डॉल्स आर देयर इन ईच ग्रुप? 12 डिवाइड बाई 2 इक्वल्स टू 6 डॉल्स इन ईच ग्रुप. This is a multiplication and division are related to each other. Okay, now students, see this. Here we have three groups of ice creams. Three groups of ice creams. Each group contains 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Each group contain 4 ice cream. Okay, so how many ice creams are there in all? How many ice creams are there in all? 3 groups. So I write here 3. Each group contain 4 ice creams. So I write here 4. 3 into 4, 12. We have 12 ice creams. All 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. We have 12 ice creams in all. Now 12 ice creams made into groups of 4. 12 ice creams made into group of 4s. So how many ice creams are there? No, sorry, made into groups of, yes, 4. So how many groups are there? How many groups are there? 3. How many groups are there? 3. When we divide 12 by 4, result is 3. Now 12 ice creams made into 3 equal groups. 12 ice creams made into 3 equal groups. Now number of ice creams in each group equals to 4. Number of ice creams in each group equals to 4. Okay. Now students, see this. Using tables to divide. Using tables to divide. These are the tables. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. These are the tables. Now we have 12 flowers divided into 3 groups. 12 flowers divided into 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups. Now students, look for the dividend and divisor in the same row. Okay. We will give 4 flowers in each group. When we divide 12 by 3, we get 4. Okay. Now see this question. 49 divided by 7. Find here 49. 49. Okay. Now look for the dividend and divisor in the same row. Like this. Same row. Answer is 7. When we divide 49 by 7, we get 7. Now see next question. 56 divided by 8. Here find 56. Here 56. Okay. Now same row. Like this. When we divide 56 by 8, we get 7. Next question. 72 divided by 9. Here find 72. 72. Now row. When we divide 78 by 9, 72 by 9, we get 8. Okay. Last part of our chapter is story sums. So students, see clearly. Anuj had 16 toffees. He distributed 2 toffees to each of his friends. How many friends did he give toffees to? So total number of toffees 16. Toffees distributed to each friend. उसने अपने हर फ्रेंड को कितनी टॉफीज दी? 2. नंबर ऑफ फ्रेंड्स हु गॉट टॉफीज? 16 डिवाइड बाय 2. When we divide 16 by 2, we get 8. Anuj distributed toffees to 8 of his friends. Now students, see this question. Amita has 20 marbles. She put 2 marbles in one box. How many boxes did she use for 20 marbles? So total number of marbles 20. Number of marbles put in one box 1, 2, 2. So number of boxes used 20 divided by 2. When we divide 20 by 2, we get 10 boxes. Okay. Next, Sunil wants to paste 24 photographs on 4 pages of his book. How many photographs should he paste on each page? If he wants to paste an equal number of photographs on each page. So students, total number of photographs, that is 24. Number of pages in a book, 4. Number of photographs of on each page, 24 divided by 4 equals to 6. There are 40 birds in a zoo with 4 birds in each nest. How many nests are there in all? Number of birds in a zoo 40. Number of birds in one nest 4. Total number of nests 40 divided by 4 equals to 10. So there are 10 nests in all. Okay. So students, this is all about our chapter division. I hope you got it very well. Thank you for watching this video.